These are the currently being replaced main set of 2 elevators at the BNY Client Service Center, 600 Ross Street, parking garage in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are originally Schindler-300 with MT from late 90s, early 2000s, but now they're being replaced with Otis Gen3s. That one has a new drop key. I think that's the original hoistway door there. Another floor still had the Schindler half moon key. I don't think you can really see up there, but this one's currently being replaced. This one just entered service, and we are now going to take a ride on it. And here it is. The indicators 1 through 5, but then the braille on the inside's G1 through G5. It has this, which is normally with 2018 International Building Code with two-way communication. But I don't see anything else. It's just that, which is weird. I don't think it works. Go down to garage 1 or just 1. Here we are. 1. Yeah, here, I think those are the original hoistway doors. Those look like there's still the Schindler hoistway doors. I still live in like, actually no, I think that's a new Spire. That's a new Otis Gen3 upgrade. Up to garage 5, here you go up. This is definitely a big improvement over the old ones. These are really nice. Garage 5. They don't talk. I'm very surprised about that. I don't know. This one doesn't go to garage 6. There's another Schindler 300 over there that's still original. That's probably going to be replaced after that one gets replaced. Yeah. I don't think the car's even in the shaft. We're back down to garage 2. Very nice snap cabs. I guess, yeah, because I saw the cab. Yeah, those snap cabs. That's the thing at the top. I guess it's what the rest of the building's getting. This new cab. As far as they did it in the parking garage. Here back at 2. Yeah, that's like a retrofit, and then the indicator's weird too. That goes nuts again.